Hi, it's Kyle, Dayspring Trailers. Today we have brand new on the lot, a 2026 Alcom Stealth 7.4 by 14 foot all aluminum constructed trailer. This trailer has upgraded premium wheels. It has twin torsion axles for a total gross weight of 7,000 pounds. This one's outfitted with several neat features. It has our Pack-Tite wood flooring. This is different than construction grade flooring. This has resin impregnation, so it's not going to rot or deteriorate. You can pressure wash it out. This one has our ATV slide track system installed, where you have these adjustable D-rings that adjust the full length of the trailer on both sides, so you can tie down multiple machines at one time or cargo, and you can purchase additional D-rings other than the 4 that are installed. This trailer's been raised 6 inches over standard height, so it is now 6 foot 8 inches tall. You have plenty of height for any of your side-by-sides. It has 2 dome LED lights on the inside with a white vinyl ceiling. One of the other neat features about this trailer, as it is 7.4 inches wide. Most trailer manufacturers manufacture a trailer that's 7.5 feet wide, and you'll have an exposed interior fender from the reels. Here at 7.4, it's the widest you can go without having any fenders inside, so nothing you have to drive over or bump into at all. This trailer has an included rear loading ramp with LED lighting. All the exterior lighting is LED. It has bar locks on the back of the ramp, and has a full 78-inch tall man door, which makes it easy getting in and out of the trailer. Again, this is a 7.4 by 14 foot Alcom all aluminum Stealth cargo utility trailer. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailers that we have, give us a call at 503-666-7300 or reach us at dayspringtrailers.com. Thanks.